Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to buy a house on Zillow. So the first step is to go to Zillow.com and then you'll have to log into your account. If you don't have one, create a brand new one. It's completely free. Then click on buy here and then click on homes for sale. And then you have to wait, and as you can see, you can enter the city, neighborhood, or address of where you want to buy a house. As you can see on the right side, you can see houses for sale. And if you want to buy one, simply click on it. And then what you'll have to do is simply click on request a tour. And as you can see, you'll have to enter at what time you want to visit the house. And then you can contact the agent if you want. And basically, after you see the house and if everything is all right, you can pay for the house. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.